Let's print on a license plate today. This can be very easy using iCue and our X series of UV flatbed printers. To begin with, open iCue. Locate your artwork and import it to iCue by either dragging and dropping a PDF or using one of 32 hot folders. You can also print direct or use our email settings to get the file. Once loaded, double-click to open the file. Go to the Imposition tab on the left of the screen. For this particular file, let's make the media size 12.31 by 6.31. This will allow it to bleed over the media. For this output, we've set the resolution at 1440 and smoothing to mid. You can adjust this as needed to get the output quality you desire. Place the media on the flatbed at the 00 location. Now within iCue, drag and drop the file to your target printer. To print multiple up, select 24 by 18 media size for the ability to print 4 plates at one time. Now click OK. Our plates are 12 by 6 inches, so our artwork is just a little bigger to bleed over the edge. Go to the Multiple Ups tab and select 4 Up option. For this job, we made our gutter 0.15 by 0.5 inches. You can adjust as needed to make sure you fit as many plates as possible. When finished, click Apply. Now go to Printer Settings. Change resolution to Template and select OK. Place your template media on the bed. This can be Coroplast, foam board, paper, it really doesn't matter. Now let's drag the template file to the target printer. Your template will now be printed for easy placement of the plates on your media. After printing of the template, simply place your media on the appropriate spot. Now head back to your printer settings and change resolution to 1440 or whatever resolution you need, and then select OK. Now all we have to do is drag the file to the printer. The possibilities are endless with the X series of UV flatbed printers. Contact Zonte today to learn more.